This is MINGDA 3D printers. There are tabletop and industrial 3D printers. Okay, let's start. Let's look this side. This side is our 3D printers models to show to our clients. And this side is our 3D printers to test for printing and then delivery to our clients. Okay, next, let me show our industrial NDCC to you. Look, NDCC is full enclosed design. It can help you to print all kinds of materials such as PLA, ABS, ASA, TPU, nylon, and so on. And there is 5-inch colorful touch screen. While you using the machine, it can make you like using the smartphone, and it is very easy for you to operate the machine. Look. And there is LED lamp for you to checking the situation of machine printing. And our machine is the linear guide rail on XYZ axis. This is XY axis. And this is Z axis. It is very high precision and stability. Look. So while you print the machine, you don't worry about the precision and the stability of our machine. And our many clients like this function. And next, let me show our two big function of our machine. It is the filament sensor. If there is no filament when the machine is printing models, the machine will stop working and keep the memory, and it will work after replacing new material. So why you want to the large models, you don't worry about this question. Another big function is uninterruptible power system. When power off, the machine will stop working and keep memory for 24 hours, as you can add a battery on the machine. This function is very important to print the large models. Of course, the filament sensor and UPS, they are very famous, and our many clients like these two functions. Okay, the details of our NDCC is ending. I am looking forward to your reply.